The Princess and Her Horse. Deep inside an ancient jungle, Princess Elira rode her loyal white horse, Snowfire. Sunlight slipped through tall trees as the two followed a narrow, forgotten path. Elira had come searching for a legendary glowing flower said to cure any illness. As they ventured deeper, strange whispers floated through the air. Snowfire stopped suddenly. The ground ahead was covered in thorns. Elira gently patted his neck and said, "Trust me, we can do this." With a brave leap, Snowfire crossed the thorns, landing safely on the other side. There, hidden in a circle of light, bloomed the magical flower. Elira picked it carefully, smiling with relief. Together, she and Snowfire galloped back through the jungle, victorious, brave, and forever bound by their adventure.